Hey guys, what's going on? Electric Bike Review greatly values transparency, and it should be no surprise that I was hired by this company to do a factory tour. Now this contributes both content and funding to EBR to cover expenses like hosting the sites and forum and travel. Now naturally, a factory tour can't be an in-depth review or an endorsement of a company or a product, but it does help bridge the gap between the rider and the manufacturer, something that I'm very excited to be a part of. Now I've done as little editing as possible to allow the facilities to speak for itself. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's going on guys? So I am here with my man Kevin. Hey Kevin, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Something like that. It looks like that. Anyway, so I'm here with Kevin. You might remember Kevin from an earlier video from Electric Bike Review. We found him at Interbike. What Kevin does is actually making white label or generic or open mold, or another word for it is like a house brand. He makes like generic e-bikes, and then different companies will take that model or that particular one and put their name on it for all sorts of various reasons. So that's primarily what you do here.
Yes.
Yeah, and we're here in Las Vegas, Nevada, by the way. I'm not in China at the moment. But
yeah, in Vegas, warehouse, our warehouse.
Yeah, we're here in Vegas. There's lots of flashy cars, and it's the middle of January, and I'm wearing a short, well, I rolled my sleeves up, and yeah, it feels great. Anyway, so yeah, Kevin, I'd love to know more. So you also share this space with other companies, is that right?
Yeah. We use same building as RPE, EMP, same space, warehouse, and battery repair spot from here. So also the next door is Bafan office.
Oh yeah, I saw that right around the corner. It's after 5 o'clock, so I guess they've all gone home for the day. But yeah, I remember seeing that. So yeah, I'd love to come inside and check out what you got.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, looks like they got a lot of stuff going on. They're shipping everything out for the end of the day. Lots and lots of batteries, it seems.
Yeah, different kind of batteries shipping from here.
All right. So while we're at it, so hey, Sean.
Yes. Hello.
How you doing?
How's it going?
Good.
Not too bad.
Yeah. This is Sean. Sean is from RPE Batteries.
How's it going?
So can you tell me a little bit about the operation you got going on?
Yeah. So right now we're just getting some batteries out end of day. These are different type of batteries. They're the primary cells. So one-time use. They're actually go inside of medical devices, defibrillator machines. And then we also use the secondary batteries, which are the e-bikes. And you guys will see a little bit of that more along the tour. But for right now, we're just getting the medical batteries all situated out.
Very busy. Very good kind of busy.
Yeah, so Sean offer battery spot for us.
Yes.
So all the e-bike batteries broken of BTN bikes come to here to repair.
In American support. So anytime you have any problems, North America.
North America.
North American support.
Yeah.
Or any batteries you need, we'll take care of them.
Awesome.
Yeah, of course.
North America's a little
BTN
bit.
will pay.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Sean.
No problem,
Yeah. All right. So this is where the magic happens, so to speak. So this area this space is used by RPE that does the batteries, as well as Kevin, who has the space for BTN, right?
Yes.
And
here is our bikes for test ride.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So also, some other bikes. Here is our stock.
Ah, okay. So if I may kind of dwell on the bikes for a little bit, I like bicycles. So what you're looking at here is a selection of kind of like generic or white label, what they call white label bikes that don't have any brand name on them. As you can see, there's nothing here. It doesn't say, Cool Guy Bike Company or anything. That's because these are some samples that a company can come in and try them out to see if they want to put their brand name on it. So that's a pretty interesting side of the electric bike industry that not a lot of people get to see. So you're kind of on the inside track a little bit. And of course, it's not exclusive for bicycles. You see it with other products as well. But with the bicycles, there's a lot of factories that produce these and they don't put a name on them especially it's useful for tour companies or a hotel or maybe a house brand for a particular bike store. They will put their name on that, so that way they can take care of the warranty work, and they can kind of have it under their own name and things like that, make it part of the family. For example, the retail shop that we had, Blue Monkey Bicycles, we considered getting a bike such as this and putting our own brand name on it and becoming a bike company. We didn't. We wound up staying in video, as you can see. But yeah, that's really cool that they have different samples here that you can ride that are all just ones that you can more or less buy at a higher quantity with your brand name on them. We have the mini fat tire bike with some metal fenders. I mean, this is not it's not really skimping. You can probably customize all sorts of different parts of it.
Yeah.
You know, if you wanted to do away with the fenders, or if you wanted to get a better light or better brakes or something, depending on how many you order as a company. Say if you're ABC Hotel, you can customize different parts, but these samples are just ones that you can kind of get a feel for what they can do and the pricing they can do it for. And it looks like we got, let's see, a mini fat tire bike. These are pretty popular. I've seen these around, as well as a step through model, and it looks like some city bikes and some fat tire bikes and full size and everything. So yeah, pretty much all sorts of different bike styles you can do. Do you guys have a road bike?
We will come soon.
Oh, we'll come soon. Okay. What if I have, what if I want to order 100? How quickly?
About 2 months.
What if I order 1,000?
Well, 3 months.
So yeah, show me some of the stock that you've got here.
Yeah, you can see here is our stock. You see, different kind of bikes all have stock here.
Ah, okay. So this is like being in an e-bike library a little bit. So
yeah, it's a battery, frame number, everything, motor number.
oh, this is a little barcode for the battery,
Yeah.
for the frame, for the
Yeah.
finished bike.
Yeah. Frame. Yeah.
I am never
Motor,
going to remember
yeah.
that. EFAT step, EFAT step. I'm sure these are all EFAT steps. And then you got some more. Here's the EFAT MN.
Yeah.
Probably not Minnesota.
That's a lot.
And yeah, even more. These are all electric bikes that are ready to be shipped out from here in the USA, and more around here. I can definitely relate being crammed for space. It looks like you do some service here as well. This looks like a bike that was returned for whatever reason. But yeah, this is pretty neat. And you've got 2 boxes for shipping.
Yeah. All our bikes in the future or now, start now, always 2 boxes to make sure the bikes no damage to customers' hands.
Well, that's
to make the customer happy.
That's a simple way of ensuring a great delivery, is just double box it. And you've got plenty more on the other side as well. So yeah, interesting. What do we got? These are all wrapped up, so I take it these are kind of like extra ones. Fat HD, gray, even more. And like any good bike shop, they got broken bike parts in the corner. That's a good thing. So as much fun as it is to show the OEM side of things, I'm really interested in the batteries and how they get repaired, because that's a pretty compelling thing to offer for BTN, is to have such a, well, literally immediate proximity to all the battery repair. So of course I'm not going to touch nothing, because I don't want to disrupt anybody's work, let alone my own heart rate. But these are the ones Sean was telling us about earlier, what he calls primary batteries. Now, from my understanding of it, I'm not an electrical engineer, but these primary cells are kind of like an alkaline battery that you'd buy at the store, that it can be used one time and then it's tossed. And these cells that are wrapped up here get put inside these yellow casings, and then they get sent out. So it looks like that's a fairly big part of their business, aside from electric bicycle battery repair. But of course, that's what they do. So right here you can see this bank is being put together.
Yeah, and if you buy the kits and the batteries from our China office, you also can come to here for repair.
Ah, okay. So that's an important distinction, that the batteries that come from, or the batteries that physically come from China, are also having their support done here. Yeah. I imagine shipping a battery back and forth to China is no small feat. So that's probably the reason. But yeah, I could stay here and learn quite a bit, I'm sure. Ooh, what is this? This must be a very special kind of battery rock. One thing I kind of glossed over was that they have a bike mechanic. He's home for the day right now because it's after 5, but they have a bike mechanic here who does some of the assembly and some of the fixing for service work.
I would like to work with more companies in US and Canada.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm happy to get your email.
Okay, so yeah, if you want to check out BTN, it's a BTN-eBike.com or something. So yeah, very interesting look at this side of the industry. If you like this kind of stuff, please let us know either in the comment section of this video or in the forums. We'd be glad to participate with you guys there. Other than that, hope you guys have a great day and ride safe.
Bye-bye.